Hello, welcome back. Let's practice saying the simple suku kata we have learned so far. Are you ready? Na, ba, ma, sa, ka, ni, bi, mi, si, ki, nu, bu, mu, su, ku. Great job. Now let's look at some words. What is this? In Malay, it's called kaki. You should know this, right? Kaki. Put the two suku kata together. Kaki. What is this? This is the nail. Malay, we say gu, 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 gu. Okay, so we can also say kuku jari for the finger nails. What is this? This is the elbow. In Malay, we say siku. Put the two suku kata together. Siku. That's the elbow. This is a new word. Can you say it? Here we have su, and here we have ka. Put them together. We have suka. Suka means like. Okay, suka. Here we have sa, and here na. Put them together. Sana. Sana means there. This one, sini. Sini. Sini means here. Okay, so that's all we have for now. See you again. Bye-bye.